What is going on YouTube? It's your boy D Pine and I'm back with another video where today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Jordan 6 DMPs. However, I'm not going to be doing them on foot because they're dead stock and I did buy them for in terms of reselling. However, I don't mind. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. This part is one of the best parts of the shoe, 100%. The box. I mean, just look at that box. Do you know how clean that looks? The gold is so, it's so vibrant. I'm telling you, like, the gold literally reflects into your face. As a heavy collector, having a gold shoe box up on your wall, that would look so peng. Like, I'm not even kidding, that would look so peng. Alright, so here we have the shoe. I mean, just look at that. It is a plain colorway. However, this shoe, man, you could pull together so many fits with this. The black and gold, literally, you could do anything. You wear any type of jeans. I mean, just the way, man, these shoes. I'm in slight regret that I did not buy these shoes for myself. However, in the near future, when my collection does grow, I probably will definitely come back and try and buy these shoes. But they have restocked twice, which is why I don't know. I'm surprised they're still in stock. However, soon they're gonna sell out. But man, just look, you got the metal dog tag here, which before in all the other Jordans they have not done that. They put like a fake type of material, but yeah, you can't read it. All in the packet because it's dead stock. You know what I mean? Obviously, you got the ring at the back with the gold and the 23 and the little imprinted Jordan sign. But yeah, then if we're looking on the traction, you got the baby blue iced out like a gum bottom, and these shoes are disgustingly nice, disgusting. But yeah, I even seen the. Well, Kaius, he said that these are one of his favourite shoes and he's posting them on his Instagram. So if he, with one of the biggest sneaker collections in the world, is his favourite shoe, you know that they're fire. But yeah, obviously, look, you got the golden Jordan sign on front with the self lace in there. All together, this shoe is so clean. I think I'm in big regrets that I did not buy this. I'm in big regrets, don't get me wrong, but that does not mean in the future that I can't. But I think if we're talking in terms of like buying this, if you're a big heavy collector, I would 100% suggest this shoe. Still, man, just look, if you had this shoe up there on display with a golden Jordan box, you already know these shoes are going to be fire, especially in the collection. But yeah, I'm in big regret that I didn't get these. However, they will be selling on to a lucky person who I do actually know. But yeah, if we're talking in terms of reselling, I don't know where this shoe is going to go. Maybe in a couple years down the line they'd increase. However, because of now that they've like restocked again, drop, I think a lot of people will have access to this shoe and it's dropped the price. However, that doesn't stop the fact that this shoe is a clean shoe and I recommend it 100%. The shoe is just fire, you can't go wrong, with these. But yeah, if you are a heavy collector, 100% you need these in your collection, 100%. But obviously as I'm just starting my collection, I didn't really get these because I had others but with all the other releases that are coming out, I didn't initially have my eye on this shoe, which is why I didn't purchase it. But yeah, like I say, you win some, you lose some, do you know what I mean? But eventually I will definitely try and purchase the shoe because it is so clean. But that's gonna wrap up for this video. I know it's a little bit of a short one. If you want to see more shoe reviews, fashion tips, anything, sneaker hacks, anything like that, drop the suggestions in the comments and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't already. But for now, that's it. I'm out.